guys, it's Jamie. Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. So, to start off this new year, I actually decided to start with a more soft, glam, get ready for work kind of thing. No foundation, no lashes, although lashes could or could not go with this look. It's totally up to you and how you want to do it. I did my entire look using the James Charles Morphe palette, Unleash Your Inner Artist palette, because I see a whole bunch of looks with lots of colors, lots of beautiful, colorful looks, but I don't really see any that are a soft, glam, neutral color. So today I kind of came up with a nice, neutral, orange-toned look, and I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button and the little bell to see when I post some new videos, which should be coming very soon, because my New Year's resolution is to start making more tutorials, because I gotta work on it a lot. So, what was your New Year's resolution? Comment down below. That's not, obvious. And I shall see you on the next one, which the next one should be out next Sunday. Every Sunday, I'm going to try it. We're going to see how it works. Alright, bye guys. Okay, first I'm going to take my Morphe M518 in the shade Coat James, and I'm just going to kind of put that all over the lid as a transition shade. I do already have down my NARS concealer, so that's kind of what I use all the time. Next, I'm going into shade 518 with random brush that I got at Ulta a few years ago, and I love the shape and I love how it fits to my eye, so that's why I usually tend to go there with that brush. Now I'm just going to go back in with Coat James to kind of blend everything out and make it nice. Next, I'm going to go in with No Beans on my Morphe, I believe it's M506. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the inner and outer corners only to kind of try to add a darker look to it, to make it deeper. Yeah, that's the word. To give it a deeper look, because it felt pretty bland to me. Next, I'm going to be going into this shade Spooky with my Morphe M152 brush to kind of just give it an even deeper look. Really just to give it more depth, because I felt like it was there, but adding a little bit of black would just make it better. And then I actually decided to go back in with the M506 and go in with No Beans to kind of blend out the black, because it wasn't blending as well as I honestly kind of hoped it would. So I just had to keep blending the black out. But eventually I got a color that I kind of liked, so I just kind of stuck with it. And on to the next, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape. I knew I was going to mess it up. On a flat, it's the Anastasia flat brush. I honestly can't remember the name, but I'm just going to go ahead and go in and start kind of concealing out, or, putting a spot where I'm going to want my glitter, the eye to pop in the middle. And actually, I like to do this after I put the concealer, because I got it from a YouTuber down below. She is amazing. And what this does is kind of just blend it out nicely. And next, I went ahead and just put more of the No Beans on the outer corners, because I kind of wanted to do a spotlight look. I can't really describe it. You'll see the shape I come up with.
I'ma say all the words inside my head.
Going into shade So Good with my M124 brush, I went ahead and just sprayed my brush with the product with the shadow on it with some setting spray to kind of make the color pop more. Now for probably my favorite part, I'm going to go in with the Stila Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow in shade Smoldering Satin. This color is so pretty, you guys. So pretty, I had to put it in my inner corner. I couldn't help myself. I'm sorry. Sue me. I like the glitter. And now, for once, I actually decided I'm going to do my liner on camera. And I used the Fenty eyeliner. I almost wanted to say liquid liner, but she doesn't have that yet that I know of.
Ooh, the way that things have been, Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea.
Now going in with my M410 brush, my 410 brush, I went ahead and took 10% off actually. And then I went back in with Code James to kind of blur it out and to blend everything underneath there nice and pretty like. Now I'm going in with my Ride or Die lipstick. Not the specific one, but if you know Jeffree Star Cosmetics, you know he's my Ride or Die, or you should know. This is shade Pussy Whipped, and it just looked so good with this eye look that I had to. Okay, as I pull you in close, just realize I did realize after the fact that I didn't put mascara on, but you know what? That's just how it goes sometimes. I forgot. So here is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it. Bye, see you on the next one.